Hi guys, good morning. Today is March 27. It's Thursday morning and start na naman tayo ng work natin. So today we'll start with our client, Sir Edmond Fernandez. Finally, masasabitan natin yung inyong mga documents sa munisipyo. I already got your papers here. Napirmahan na ng Peakland. Ayan, okay na. We have got our endorsement already. So, ayan na. Guys, ready na yung kanyang documents. Ready na for submission to sa munisipyo. Dito na yung mga plano natin. So, guys, samahan niyo ko. Today, punta tayo ng munisipyo para dali natin itong mga documents nito para makuha na natin yung permit as soon as possible. So, see you later! And guys, we're back. We're here. The open. So, we're there. Hintay lang natin yung tatanggap. Hi Sir Don, for fencing kay magtelay ba o sa'yo na din?
Magpapasa?
Oo.
Sa akin dito.
Okay. Okay, so we're done. That's it. Nasubmit na natin. So, done here at Kanza. So, punta na tayo ngayon ng another location natin, which is we're going na sa, I think, 13. So, I'll see you later.